Yo, what is going on, you guys? It's me, your boy Virus, and here we go, you guys. This is my car. So a lot of people have been asking me to show my car, and this is my car. So my camera girl, please come over here. So this is my car. This is a Honda Civic Si 2009. Of course, it's a coupe, two-door. We walk over here. You guys can see it. I have some nice rims on it. We come over here. We're gonna keep coming. Keep coming. Over here, this is carbon fiber trunk. So yeah, I have a lot of modifications done to the car, and yeah. So if we can come over here to the front, and I'll just grab the key from here, or the phone. Show you guys the car real quick on the inside. I'm gonna turn it on and stuff. Actually, you know what? Let me pop the hood up for you guys. So yeah, that's the inside. Yep, that's the motor. So it's supercharged. The pulley, this is a supercharger right here, that gray thing. These are the pulleys, intake. Yeah, that's about it. We have a lot of more stuff, but not gonna go in depth. But yeah, guys, that's my car, and I'm gonna show you guys the inside now. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, guys, so we're inside the car. This is what it looks like. These are the pedals. So here, right here, this is gas, this is the brake, and this is the clutch. This is the shifter. This right here is, of course, the emergency brake. This is a custom emblem for the car. I've replaced the other one. These are the sun is in the way. Alright, so these are all my clocks, meaning the air fuel ratio, PSI, and I think this one's for oil. Yeah, these are the seats. This is how they look. The back. Over here we have another one that's air fuel ratio. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to turn on the car really quick. Let me get the keys. Alright. Let's get up the seat up just a little. So what you want to do is you want to put the clutch down. Make sure this is in neutral. It's in neutral now. And then turn on the car. So now the car is on, and yeah. So now we're going to accelerate it a little for you guys. So yeah, guys, that's it, and that's the car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and please leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I'll post more videos of my car if you guys want more. Just make sure to comment down in the comment section below. And that has been it, guys, and I am out. Peace!